Guys, are you looking for a metal grinder for your KitchenAid mixer? This is a fantastic attachment set. So if you want to make like homemade sausage, homemade meatballs, if you want to chop up some vegetables for like salsas or to put in like soups or any kind of dish like that, this is it. So a couple of things you can do. So it comes with 4 different of the grinding plates. So we have 3, a 5, a 7 millimeter, and then we have a larger one for if you just want to kind of grind down your meat and make it a little bit thicker. It also comes with, depending on if you're making like sausages or if you're just grinding your meat, it comes with the plate, that plate as well. Sausages, so you can make 3 different size sausages. So you can make your own sausage at home. Add your own spices, add your own meats, whatever you want to do. Meat, meatless, whatever you want. You can be creative and decide what you want to make. It also comes with this little hamburger press. So it's about 4.5 inches in diameter. So once we grind up our meat, we can just slide in here, press it down, and we'll make the perfect hamburger, which is super cool. So really nice, really super easy installation. So I went ahead and just took off my little KitchenAid cap here. So it's gonna hook up right into here. We're just gonna screw that tight and then make sure that's secure. Next, we're gonna take this in. We're just gonna slide that in and then make sure that it's in there securely. Go ahead and put this guy in and make sure there's 2 different sides. You always want to make sure this side is out. So we'll go ahead and slide that on. And then I'm going to go ahead and grind up some meat. So I went ahead and cubed up some beef and some pork. So we're going to go ahead and make some sausage and some hamburgers. So I'm going to use the 5 millimeter plate, and then that just fits in there perfectly. And then we'll just put the cap on. So screw that on, make sure it's nice and tight, and then I like this. So this is a little plate here. We can put it right on top. And I went ahead and cubed up some meat earlier. So I'm going to start off with the beef, and I just cubed it up so it'll actually fit down in the little slot there. So let me fill that up here, and then it also comes with this little plunger there. So as you turn the machine on, and you can push those meat or their vegetables down. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on to a 2. And then you can see that ground meat coming out right away. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and put my hamburger right here. So it's coming out perfect. You know, you can see the little strands there. So we'll turn that off. That's a little noisy. So you can add your own seasoning. So mix in your seasoning as you're grinding up your meat. I'm just going to take that top of the hamburger press and just press it all together. And then we'll have the perfect hamburger. So let me show you an up close, and you guys have fun with dinner nights. Be creative. Make your own spices. Make your own meals. So have fun.
If you guys are looking for a grinder attachment for your KitchenAid mixer, this is it. So this comes with 4 different grinding plates, 3, 5, 7 millimeter, and then a 3-hole plate. There's also 3 grinding blades, and then you can also make 3 different kinds of sausage. So whether you're working with pork, beef, or fish, the options are endless. So all these blades are stainless steel blade made. They're removable and washable. They're large capacity, and you even get a 4.5 inch hamburger press that comes with it. Quick and easily assembly. You can change out the blades easily depending on whatever you want to make. If you're using one of the more fine grinding plates, it's an awesome option for nuts, for hard cheeses, for breadcrumbs, or for cooked meats. And once you get to the more coarse grinding plates, it's easier to grind meats, for sausage, meatballs. And then the 3-hole attachment is awesome for vegetables, for salsa, for any type of sauce, for larger raw meat pieces. So the options are endless. I went ahead and ground up some almonds here